Now sorry be your name. Sir, you don't hear what I talk. Now sorry now be your name. If you still they tell me say this Oboro Nigeria, see Nigeria go work. Now sorry be your name. Not because we need to to say the truth. All these people when not there for elite, this politician and all that. Oh my God.
Hello viewers, if you're watching this channel for the first time, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also click the notification bell to get prompt news updates of our new posts and live streaming. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram at yorubakingdomtv.com. Thanks.
Hello everyone, good morning from my end here. My name never changed. My name be Baba Aropo Ayokobi. My name be my name. They're not going to take another person. They do me. Now me could be myself. I'm not going to be quiet. I have one question where I want to ask now. If anybody answer to this question, I beg. Now beg. I beg now. Beg now. No mind my voice. I beg. Now Fiji. Now they cause am. Make I take that one. Make I take that one step and down. You could hear me well. I can't wake up for Washington this morning here in Seattle. Now I can see some Kasala news where it happened. This by-election when I do, when I just conclude, like say, you know. Selection no, na election no. I don't know what they call them for this Obodo Naija. You know, see that country. The question where I want to ask be say, should this country be working? Should this country, we call Nigeria, is it worth dying for? Now this is the question where I want to ask me that. Now go ask me say, waiting I see for soup where I can't put iru. Local beans for my hand. No be you. Where I can't Timo one. I don't know waiting be that for English you because I be Obama. I know if you deny my mother's tongue. So as I talk the reason why I want do this video for pidgin English be say make everybody understand when I want talk. Can't let go that. See for Adamawa. You women when they say now women make them allow women make them do make them allow them for election this is and that. See this woman no he be senator you still the senator for that country. He's still there as a senator. The senator be say then now them they make law they happen for Nigeria for people. And this woman can't go break law again. They bribe up and down. The women, they bribe the returning waiting INEC officer. This INEC thing, this election thing for Nigeria, I beg, make una break this country once and for all. Make una no cause kasala. Because una go turn this country, una go turn am to Sudan. Una go turn this country Sudan to Sudan as soon as possible. Go right and down. Go right and down. And all these things when they do, no be today happen. See this man for Oyo State. Chief Adedebo. Her blessed memory. That one don't die. Okay, make I show you the video where the man talk.
When there was a kind of a political crisis between AD and PDP, and Obasanjo had to come to Ibadan to caution you, not to constitute yourself as a nuisance to the people of Oyo State, and that there was a kind of an encounter between the two of you. Could you please let the public know what really happened at that meeting?
What really happened? It was a very interesting story. Well, Ladoja wanted to erect his own billboard at the roundabout of the Secretariat in Oyo State. And he telephoned me, Babami, I want you to come and commission this thing. We went there, and I told your boys, all these reporters, I said, well, this is Lamadeshina's billboard. We are erecting this today. They should not touch it. Because this has been there since year 2000. And we are erecting this now in the year 2003. One Lamadeshina and his supporter not to touch it. If they touch it, there's going to be crisis. Well, 6 days after, Laraja phoned me. He said they have removed his signboard. Then I sent all my boys out throughout Oyo State that they should remove everything belonging to Lamadeshina. If they see Oyo State fake, they should seize it. They should seize it. I said they should seize it. They should not allow them to move freely. Then the lamb went to Abuja. And the president phoned that he will be coming to Ibadan. He will be coming to Ibadan, that we should meet him at the presidential lodge at the airport in Ibadan. Well, about Obasanjo himself, the head of state, Lamadeshina, the governor of Oyo State, our leader, Chibode George, Baba Alayande, they were expecting me. I came late. So Obasanjo was annoyed that after he came all the way from Abuja personally to see me, and I have to disappoint him, I came late about 25 minutes. They said they should open the meeting. He was very, very annoyed. He was abusing Laraja when I opened the door. Rashidi, go by. Then I opened the door. I said, what is here? What is happening? What is really happening? He said, Baba Dedibu, what is happening in Oyo State? I said, there's nothing. He said, you are, how old are you now? How old are you? I said, why are you asking me that type of question? You send money to me. You gave me $500,000 for my birthday. If you don't know my age, why do you send money? Are you just giving everybody money like that? I said, well, you know my age. You gave me money for my birthday, so you're supposed to know. He said, why I asked you this question is that at the age of 76, you are the one causing problem in the whole of Oyo State. We have intelligence report that said you are causing trouble. I said, I'm a real Ibadan man, and we always cause trouble. That is our name. So by telling me that I'm causing trouble, it means you are saying that I am not a bastard. I am a real Ibadan man. We are born to cause trouble. He said, at the age of 76, I said, well, it doesn't matter. You are repeating my age when you say you don't know now. They said you are the one removing billboard. I said, I'm even doing more than that. Not only the billboard, I'm even attacking the vehicle of the. He said, why are you doing that? I said, we don't want this man there. This is the man we want. And that is all. I sat down there. He said, what legacy do you want to leave behind?
That's President Obasanjo.
Yes, Obasanjo asked me. He said, what legacy do you want to leave behind at the age of 76 that you are causing trouble? I said, well, you came to Mapo last time to address rally. It was more than myself, Chivakilo were there, Adwikile were there. You never mentioned their name. More than 9 times you were repeating my name. Chivadedibu, Dowanyo. You never mentioned other names. I said, why? That is one of the legacy. The other legacy is that they told you I'm causing trouble, and that is why you are here. That Adedibu is causing trouble, and you are here. The president of the country is a legacy. So I'll be causing trouble and call you to be here. So he started to laugh that I have never come across this type of life. I said, that is a legacy. Sufficient for me to live upon as a legacy. You are here now. You are sitting down near me. And what you come for is that because I'm causing trouble. Adedibu is causing trouble, let's go to Oyo State. Is that not a legacy? He said, I don't know what to say again. Then I took my hand into my pocket and brought out a letter written by one section of Oyo State because we have molested them so much. They have to apologize for removing that billboard. Then I told Obasanjo, I said, look, this is the letter they wrote. They have apologized to us. He got the letter. What did you? Ẹ̀yin ò dẹ̀ ṣe wá pé àbúrò yín gọ́vnà kẹ́rẹ̀ bá sọ̀rọ̀. Mr. President, you are trying to cheat me. You went to university. Lamadeshina went. Ladoja went. Babalaya, they was the oldest person here went to university. But the judge went to university. I don't go to university. You are preaching to me now to call Lamadeshina. Why can't he call his younger brother and tell him, what are you saying now? I say, you know that anybody, do I go to university? Do I know more than what I'm doing? I don't know what I'm doing. You know more than what I'm doing. He said, well, then he took my hand. I said, that is your gift from God. I can't say more. Then Babalade said, Lamidi, you are my son. And you know the years have been nursing you, putting you in my mind, doing everything you want. Why do you go around secretariat and be shooting gun? I said, because we want to take the government from Lamadeshina. He said, can that be right? I said, Baba, the day Awolowo was installed as the premier of the region, we paid £2 for the use of Mako Hall. The NCNC was in control. Alidabu was the chairman of the council. They issued the permit to us. Before Awolowo came from the secretariat, where he went and swear as the premier of the region, Alidabu had locked the door. When I was forcing the door open, you were standing with me, Baba, and they said, yeah, it is true, I was with you. Well, then Obasanjo said, what, Baba, what do you want us to say again? Baba, do you mean Baba follow? What is different now? What is, Then Obasanjo stood up and said, well, I better take excuse. I said, no, you cannot go. Mr. President, you are our father here. You cannot just do like Akintola. If 25 people gave evidence before Akintola, all of them will be right. And everybody will be laughing. I said, who is guilty now? Who is guilty? Is it me or Lamadeshina or his government? Then he now said, Lam, didn't I tell you? Within you and myself, haven't we discussed? He said, Baba, I've told him the governor is wrong. The governor is wrong. I said, well, thank you very much. Then we now stood up. Protocol demand that he should go first. Lamadeshina should follow him. So the two of them were moving forward. And crowd outside, the PDP and the crowd was so strong that he wanted to seize that opportunity to show that he's very familiar with Obasanjo. Then I penetrate within the two of them. I just push them apart. Obasanjo, who is that? I said, it is me. He said, Baba, what do you want again? I said, I want the governor to introduce me to you. He said, the governor was saying that this is our Baba, Chief Adedibu, and so on, pillar of PDP. Then the governor now withdraw him nearer. He said, Emma told you one. Because he loved him. I said, he doesn't take care of us. You gave me 275,000 since you have been running your government. You now want to re-enter again. Oh, damn you, what you're telling you. We now do think it's possible. The military men who are there by not election, they come to my house. Are they not coming to my house? You feel it is easy for anybody to rule this country without, to rule this or your state without seeing me?
Even the military.
Welcome back. You see? The legacy where this man live for Ibadan, now still they operate till today. And this evil genius way there for Abeokuta so. The one way there for Mina. Una leave this year legacy for no children. So tell me this thing can't de-escalate, Una want turn Nigeria to Sudan. And if care is not taken, we will with a child to say, make let everybody go on in own now. Because country no be na nation, Yoruba na nation. Let everybody go on to their attention before wahala conchele. Where everybody no go. Now I dey talk my own no. All this politician, okay. See waiting first talk Kiyamo self they talk for mouth. This one of my baba, nine train am no be like this he train am. No be like this he train am Ganifa Waimi. Chief Ganifa Waimi of blessed memory. No be like this he train this man. Now human rights don't supposed to be. See the thing when they can't they support this Adamawa stuff will happen. Inconclusive. This man can't rush. He can't declare because of the money we don't take. How a country like that, where upcoming generation go they see, open their eye, they see all this year, and you think say the country go de kule. Like you know go de kule. No wahala na go de chele because all these children when they come out for school, they no get job, they no get the thing when they do even ordinary light. See, Nigeria elite or whatever you call yourself, the politician. If you not born away, turn on light for Nigeria. Turn them light, turn them on. Make light no they go. You go see all this you the thing when they go they do. You be just kind your thing when they do. You go know. And it intentionally now you come you put even God self. God waiting God first created after he created heaven and earth. Waiting Coco created. No be light. And that is why you put all this youth for. You put them in the dark so that we not go see what in the shell. And all this youth they try then they try make them exploit, but you they jeopardize their own. See, first talk Kiyamo, Chief Ganifa and me of blessed memory where in tissue. See the thing where they talk now for Twitter. Make una listen to this thing. Listen, I beg. Switch on that video. Make una listen.
Well, following the announcement, the APC governorship candidate delivered an acceptance speech while crowds of supporters trooped out to congratulate the legally declared winner.
Adama stands tall on the threshold of history. My dear Adama State citizens and residents, I am overwhelmed and humbled by your show of love and confidence in electing me to serve as your governor as from May 29 this year and for the next 4 years. For this, I say a very big thank you.
Well, spokesperson of the All Progressives Congress, Festus Keyamo, also congratulated Binani after the declaration. Keyamo took to his official Twitter page to describe Aisha's victory as a glass-shattering watershed for Nigerian women. Well, his tweet reads, "Just woke up in the US to this wonderful news. I am screaming my head off here. This is such a glass-shattering watershed for the women of Nigeria. Huge congratulations to my sister, Senator Aishatu Dahiru Ahmed Binani. At a point in the struggle, we were speaking like a dozen times a day on the phone. Special thanks to all those who worked so hard for this. Special thanks to the good people of Adamawa State for smashing this hoodoo of gender bias. Special thanks to the APC for making this possible. Special thanks to President Muhammadu Buhari for providing such sterling leadership. Special thanks to Nigerians for your support and prayers. Now, for the women of Nigeria, please go ye forth to conquer." I mean, that would be, that I can see you rolling your eyes, but it would have been a perfect speech if she actually was the...
Una welcome back where una sit. Maybe you day for your car, maybe una day for everywhere you day. The thing where I want you make you do for me be say, I beg send this video to someone. Like them, share them. Don't mind say you hate me. I beg. And the person we are mentioned for this name, I know they say they attack their personalities, but all the evil actions, all the evil doers wait there for their hands. Now they attack. Remember, one of these senators, in fact, I don't know what this elite, you want to get him? For everywhere, for all over the world now, with Nigeria, wherever you reach now, wahala, then go they look us later. Oh, they don't come. They don't. Even in this my office, if we tell them say you be Nigeria, you know go see them again. Eh? You know they get him. You can't they disgrace us all over the world. What can you be this? See who can remind you there? And then for that Senate, Deputy Senate for Nigeria. I remember when they catch the man, all the senators they rush inside the aircraft. They don't fly, jump, bomb for United Kingdom. Huh? Then jump. You say United Kingdom where colonize now, where colonize their head, where colonize your mind. See, their law they can't pay. They stand. Anybody do it, do you pump? They put them. They put Koboko for him bomb. Now from now, they do not gonna do yet for that country. No law, nothing. Who go cash me? If I feed you not count the cash crew. Not count the cash fund with the life of unborn generation for Nigeria. You of all people, where Baba Gani, Chief Gani Adam, Gani Fawemi, where in train. You can't support illegal something because you there for United States. So everybody if it fly come in United States. It create madu. Instead of for him, all the money we not chop illegally. Now he not chop for all that grant for all this kind of thing. See, he land for J. Nemesis he go catch una. Nemesis he go catch una. Go right and down. Nemesis he go catch you now. He go catch your pikin. He go catch your generation. He go catch your unborn children. He go catch your even great grandchildren. He go catch on them. Go right and down. It's a law of karma. It's a law of karma. Even me where they talk. If to say I they talk this thing because make I get fame, make I get money. Nemesis go catch on me. That one no because. That one no because. And make I tell una Nigeria youth. Now so now go there they watch Arsenal, they watch Chelsea. Una they watch Man City, una they watch Man U. Hey, who go win? Oh, who go win? Oh, you go come the day there. You na no go fit speak it to the power. Make una come together. Make una they speak it. Make una talk. Make una sorrow. Okay. Now you go for night that better. Bet go to the corner or whatever bet. Now do this kalo when they follow up and down. Make una come together. They speak it. Don't make you say you go line up for football. This football thing, you know the thing where they behind? All this United Kingdom where they create them. Things they create them for purposely because of now. Make una fight for una future. See dollar now. You see what I waiting for dollar? Eh? East Africa, they don't come together. Create money. Create money. The new president for Kenya. You hear what the thing where he said, we talk? He said they buy oil with dollar again. Saudi Arabia. He don't come out for dollar. Eh? Instead of make una come together, make una they talk all this thing for all this elite, all these politicians where they don't care about una. You they do for television, they watch football. If we go to Twitter now the thing we go to trendy, we say football. Now Arsenal go take them. We can nonsense be this self. Eh? See, if una no talk, now some go die for silence. Not be say make we go for protest, but use the power of social media. They attack all this man. Attack their family as well. Make una let them breathe. Okay, another thing be say, see, Guinea Conakry, I be Guinea waiting. Tinubu, he gets dual citizen, and that one, army they warm up say, then go swear am in. I know say make una no swear anybody when no one swear on you. Na your cup of tea be that. But is it lawful make person be dual citizenship, make it be president of a country. Now the question be that maybe you don't renounce him more. If you don't drop him before it before they choose him to be a candidate for APC, that one go jello. But if no be that, make una sorrow, make una chow to see if I lie. Now the video be this. Which kind country be this? Watch out.
Journalist David Huding set social media buzz over the weekend after he uploaded images of a Guinean diplomatic passport bearing Bola Ahmed Tinubu's details on his Twitter account. The passport also carried Tinubu's image and appears to have been issued in October 2015 with the expiration date of October 2020. David reported that the passport was apparently issued to Tinubu while his ally, Alpha Conde, was Guinean president. Tinubu had publicly claimed credit for helping Conde secure re-election in October 2015. Tinubu, whose emergence as president-elect has been challenged by Atiku Abubakar, presidential candidate of the People's Democratic Party, and Peter Obi, candidate of the Labour Party, has had numerous allegations of corruption and illicit activities levied against him. The latest disclosure that the president-elect obtained Guinean citizenship, however, has met a strident silence from his spokespeople who have previously been quick to defend him, or users on social media have shared mixed reactions. Let's take some tweets. This is from Spotlight, who wrote, Tinubu met his friend and brother, President Conde, in May 2015. Tinubu in June 2015 visited Conakry, Guinea, to assist in the elections. October 6, 2015, a Guinean passport was issued to Tinubu. Nigerian law doesn't allow the president to naturalize in another country.
Now sorry be your name. Sir, you don't hear what I talk. Now sorry now be your name. If you still they tell me, say, this Oboro Nigeria, see Nigeria go walk. Now sorry be your name. Not because we need to say the truth. All these people when not there for elite, this politician and all that. Oh my God. You know why? See the censor, this fraudulent censor where then they where they plan. See the person. He said they don't hack him. They don't hack the Safa. He can't they rush go to United Kingdom where then they do the GBT. They colonize us. Yoruba people, Igbo people, Hausa people, una be nation, different 3 nation. E no go walk. Anything where una any house, any building where una take saliva, where una they take and do the foundation, what thing go happen to them? He go for, he go bafuka. Now the thing where the shell left for Obodo Naija be that. Now Nemesis go they catch on now. See, you two, do more. That country, it no be country. That country, it no be, it's a scam. 1940 amalgamation, now yeah, now what? It no help anybody. Since, it no help no one. When they speak, I remember when I speak my language for my mother for school. They're going to tell me, say, you they speak vernacular. And all other people with their brain, they don't colonize it. Now they go to talk their children. Speak English. Or Daniel or they. You want see Germany now. They say anybody will speak any language rather than German. You say he go, then go land them to jail. See China. Any place when they speak and teach their generation with their language, chemistry, biology, physics, mathematics. Na them they boom. Na them they hide now. So you go there, come they tell me say make your own children they speak a foreign language. Na munie or denier. All the thing where I talk today. If I speak English, way no correct. He don't speak English. I see someone where they correct me, say, I know correct. The thing where I type, I know correct. You don't get the idea waiting at the talk. No be borrow language. So why would they come they crucify me say I no abeg ẹ lọ jókòó jàre wo sensor tó fẹ́ ṣe wọ́n ní wọ́n ti jí sáfà àwọn gbé ó wá ń lọ sí United Kingdom ó fẹ́ lọ ṣe kíni ó fẹ́ lọ ayé yín ti ta Nàìjíríà ò lè work kò ń ṣe pé tó o bá sì sọ pé ó lè work ó dáa go and die in their war lọ kú sínú ogun wọn ìwọ ló dẹ̀ mọ̀ mẹ́ra pẹ̀rẹ̀kẹ̀rẹ̀ níjà ní kéwì.
The problem we are having is that obviously our website has been hacked and we have problems. Automatically, some people have been here, started creating robots. So we don't have any option other than to postpone this work, this training. Because if we go by this training, definitely we are not going to get what we want.
That is it.
So since yesterday, they had been sitting over the issue by the management at the headquarters. We have been communicating with them, not until at night when they begin to send the message that this thing has been postponed. Despite that, we did not agree. We continue to communicate, not until we get why it has been postponed. So the work cannot be done like this. It's not possible for us. If we did that, we are not going to have the results. Exactly that is what had happened to INEC when INEC postponed also their work. So we cannot, and this is a work that if it has been done, it has to take at least another 10 good years before thinking of doing another one. This is for development and planning in the country, data acquisitions and other things. Definitely we cannot continue with the job. That is the present information. So we have to wait until we get another day or until the server is changed and until we are able to have a better confirmation that our server will not be touched. For this reason, our chairman is leaving Nigeria today. He's going to United Nations to tell them what is happening so that they will also assist us in controlling the server in the soonest. I hope we are together.
Yes, sir.
So please and please, we are sorry for what had happened.
No problem.
The work cannot continue in the situation it is.
Inshallah.
While you will be enumerating, somebody has already done your own enumeration area and is sending the result before you people have sent the result. So it is going to be a very serious problem. Nigerians will not take us right. So please, I'm here to announce to you people that the exercise has been postponed. But we promise, by God willing, whenever it is rescheduled, after taking that corrections and other necessary action to...
My name be my name. My name be my name, Baba Aropo. Ayoku Obi. I go come back again. Whoever say make I no come back, na him. I no go see. He go, You remember the plane where he lost? What be the name? Is it Philippine plane or whatever? The plane lost. See, today they no see him. If anybody they tackle me, say I no go come back. Now like that plane, now you go lost. Say amen. Subscribe. I dey watch you. I dey watch you for Splama TV. I dey watch you. I beg go pick your phone, subscribe and share this message to all the youth. Make it then they talk. Anybody wey no fit talk, even the Bible talk am, you go die silent. Bye guy. Make I go find something chop. Àwọn yóò sì kọjá lórí kìnìún ẹgbọ̀rọ̀ kìnìún ìjọ ńlá yóò fẹsẹ̀ wá tẹ̀mọ́lẹ̀ tó gbólóhà ní ìfẹ̀rẹ̀ sí wa nítorí wọ́n ṣe gbà wọ́n lọ́wọ́ àgọ́ alẹ́ pẹ̀lú ọ̀bọ̀ ọ̀la fún wa ẹ̀mí kíkún lọ́nà òkè tẹ̀wálé ọ̀.